generating. And when you're hating, you're bound to get irate. That is what you demonstrate. And that's exactly how anger works operate. But you gotta have love to set it straight. To control your mind and meditate. Make the soul gravitate to the love, y'all. People killing, people dying, children hurt and getting right. If you practice what you preach, if you tell it honestly, fight for the power of hearts, some guidance from above. People got me walking with you. Let's go! Yeah! Oh, that's it now! That's it now! Oh, that's it now! That's it now! That's it now! That's it now! Whatever happened to the vice of humanity? Whatever happened to the equality? Instead of spreading that, we're spreading animosity. Like a bad insanity, that's away from unity. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling under. That's the reason why sometimes I'm feeling down. There's no wonder why sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith and lies, so that is down. That's yourself. Where is the love? Where is the love?
Kababayan, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po dito ang pagdating ng ating mga kapatid, ng mga INC.
Let's go. Pag umalis tayo, Bella, may pera pa. Gusto ko din ng ice.
Ayan, yung iba ay nandito na po sila ng pwesto, naglatag ng mga sapin. Ayan. Oras natin alas 6:38 na mga kababayan. Ayan, so walang uyan na po ito. Dito na po mga kababayan, no? Naka-standby, naghintay para bukas ang ating mga kapatid na mga INC. Ayan. So tuloy-tuloy po dito ang pag-set up, no? Yung mga hindi pa natapos. Yung mga tent nandito na po. Meron po mga tent dito for medical station. Yan, yung mga LED screens po nila ay na-set up na, ready na lang po sa pagbukas ng event tomorrow, no? Or pag-start ng event tomorrow. Ikaw sa sila. Silipin natin dito sa baba mga kababayan. Dito meron po silang LED screen nilagay. Ayan, para sa mga taong hindi na makapasok bukas. Sa dami ng tao na pupunta dito, kaya meron na pong setup dito ng LED screen. Ayan, nandito.
Dito sa kilometer 0.